Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter on AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Wednesday, November the 2nd, I've got 5 press releases for you. China, U.S., Canada. We got it all. Let's start you off first with China. Orient Paper, ONP, on the AMEX announced that they put out their unaudited preliminary results for Q3 for the period ended September 30th. Now, as I've always said, when a company puts out preliminary numbers before they're audited, it means that they're really excited about the results. They want to get them out to the marketplace, and then look for the official 10Q to follow later on. The company says revenues increased 61% to about $37 million. Total paper sold 55,640 tons. That's up 36%. Gross profit, $8 million. That compares to $3.8 million last year. That's up over 100%. Finally, net income, approximately $5.4 million or 30 cents per share. That's up from $1.8 million and 10 cents per share last year. So they pretty much tripled the bottom line. And finally, here's what I really love, the guidance here. Projected revenue 2011, between 147 and 163 million. Net income between 21 and 23 million. Most importantly, their earnings per share are going to come in somewhere between $1.16 and $1.28. Why is that important? The company closed yesterday at $2.45. You're essentially getting a company here trading for 2 times earnings. I know their babies have been thrown out the bathwater in China as a result of a lot of the reverse merger issues over there. But if Orient Paper, if you do your due diligence and you discover that Orient Paper is the real deal, then you're getting a steal. I like these companies going into tax loss selling season. I think there'll be a lot of opportunities to make money off them in 2012. Do your due diligence. I really like that news. Next up, we got Brekford Corp, OTCBB, BFDI as their symbol. They're reporting over 100% growth in revenue for the third quarter 2011, specifically 100.68%. Gross profit up 162%, and net income, net profit up 1,311%. Let's go to the numbers. Revenues 5.3 mil compared to 2.6. Net income $493,900. That compares to just $34,000. I call it $35,000 for the same quarter last year. That accounts for that massive jump. I really like that. Finally, this is probably the best indication of all. Cash position at the end of the third quarter was $2.2 million, up from $1.5 million. That means the company is generating cash. These aren't just paper profits by moving some numbers around. They're driving cash. That's real. What do? They provide services to the U.S. military, various federal entities, and numerous security and public safety agencies throughout the U.S., including N10 suite of mobile computer and video technology, video upfitting services, and other things like that. Closed yesterday 60 cents. Their 52-week high, 61. So they're doing very, very well. A lot of happy investors there, especially when you consider the fact that their 52-week low is just 9 cents. So congratulations to Brekford. Great news there. Moving on to resources, Confederation Minerals, TSX Venture, CFM, announcing significant, that's their words, high-grade gold results is from the Newman Todd project in the Red Lake, Ontario. Looks like 343 grams per ton of gold over 0.6 meters. Additionally, 11.1 grams over 2 meters, including 33.8 grams over half a meter. To date, 49 drill holes totaling 19,000 meters have been drilled in 2011. The company says gold mineralization has been discovered over a strike length of 1.6 kilometers, and they've got sufficient funds to not only complete the current drill program, but also the presently planned program for 2012. This company has an option to acquire up to 70% of the Newman Todd Newman Todd project. I think it's from Red Star Gold, or it might be the other way around. But take a close look at that. 46X closed yesterday, $1.40 on the 52-week high, 60.5 cents on the 52-week low. Typical for what's happened in the gold space, but those kind of numbers will hopefully differentiate from the rest of the pack. Manitou Gold, TSX Venture MTU hit 75 meters of 2.4 grams ton of gold. This is from the project in northwestern Ontario. 31 holes have been drilled. Assays have been received from the first 27, so I guess we can look for another 4 to come out. This hole here in the headline was the deepest hole completed to date on the project. The intersection was located at a vertical depth of 225 meters. The company says, quote, "This impressive section of gold mineralization contains 2 higher grade intervals, averaging 5.5 grams over 8.5 meters and 5.2 grams ton of gold over 10 meters. Closed yesterday 61 cents, $1.13 on the high, 28 cents on the low. And finally, Lydian International, TSX company here, LYD, they announced that they hit 146 meters of 1.6 grams ton of gold, and that's open at depth, as well as 138 meters of 1.5 grams and 101 meters of 1.1 grams. Those are two separate deposits, it looks like, but the overall project is the Amulasar gold project in Armenia. The company says it currently hosts a CIM compliant combined indicated and inferred category resource of 2.5 million ounces at 1 gram per ton of gold. It looks like 1.1 million in the indicated, 1.4 in the inferred. Results have been received from another 25 combined diamond and reverse circulation drill holes, so I guess you can look for more results come out of the company. These are great numbers here. They closed yesterday 244, $1.78 on the 52-week low, 321, excuse me, on the 52-week high. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. Five great ones today. I love when we got days like this. If you look for more great small cap resources news and you watch this on Globe Investor, look below me or to the left of me to find the one, to find other companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.